Hi guys, today we're going to teach you how to put together a birds and the bees costume. We had Amanda put her hair up in kind of a little bit of like a beehive style. And so for the bees costume, we're going to take just a strand of fake greens from the craft store and some wire, and I'm going to string the wire through the greens to kind of create a crown that'll sit around the beehive style of her hair. Once you have the greens and the wire into a crown shape, you can add a few flowers with hot glue, and then you can take your little bumblebees that have wire attached already, we can link that below, and you can wrap that around the crown so it looks like there's bees floating everywhere around your head. For the birds part of the costume, we got a small grapevine wreath, and you're going to end up adding that into your hair with bobby pins and wrapping some of your hair up around it to make it look natural. But first, we're going to take some fake birds, and ours already have some wire on the end, but you can use hot glue if you need to, and we're going to add those to the side of the nest, and a couple of them we're going to stick so that they're floating out from the nest a little bit like they're flying. Once you have your crown how you want it, you can place it gently and reorganize some of the flowers and the bees to be in the direction that you want them to be. And then you can use bobby pins to secure it. For the bird costume, you're going to place it on your head. And you're going to take some of your hair and wrap it up through the grapevine. And then pull it back down, and you can pin it in place to use it to secure it. And then repeat that for the other side as well. Once you have it secure, you can add some feathers or some leaves to add a little bit of extra texture.